Hello dear learners, I welcome you all to the today's video session on local anesthetics FAQs, that is frequently asked questions from the chapter Local Anesthetics. As you all know, if we have the repeatedly asked questions with us, that is FAQs, then it becomes easy for us to study from the theory exam point of view. So to start with the FAQs, the first question from the chapter Local Anesthetic is, first is define local anesthetics and write the structure and chemical name of procaine hydrochloride. Now these are the two questions which are combined. First is definition, wherein you are supposed to define what are local anesthetics, not local anesthesia. This chapter contains two different definitions. First is what is local anesthesia, or the definition of local anesthesia, and the second is local anesthetics. So anesthetics are the drugs and anesthesia is the state. So define local anesthetics, which carries 1 mark, and then structure and chemical name of procaine hydrochloride, which is a local anesthetic. You are supposed to draw the structure and give the chemical name of it. Structure for 1 mark, chemical name for 1 mark. This question will carry 2 marks and definition will carry 1 mark. Total 3 marks question is there. Now moving towards the second question. Second question is classify local anesthetics with example. This question carries 2 marks. Now this question can come in as an adjunct question, like your first question, define local anesthetics and classify local anesthetics with example. In that case, it can carry 3 marks. Definition 1 mark and classification 2 marks. Next question is, what are local anesthetics? Local anesthetics, they have asked you the meaning. So here you can write down the definition of local anesthetic along with the example and the common uses, or in all general properties of local anesthetics you can enlist down. Then write the structure, give the chemical name of local anesthetic drug having following chemical features. Now this again, what are local anesthetic will carry 1 mark, and this structure, chemical name will carry 1 mark each, so 2 mark. So any one of these, either maybe that local anesthetic containing ester or local anesthetic containing amide. So local anesthetic which contains ester functional group is nothing but procaine, and amide functional group is nothing but lidocaine. So local anesthetic you are supposed to mention either ester or either amide. So this will carry 2 marks, structure and chemical name, and what are local anesthetics will carry 1 mark. Then question number 4 includes, write the structure of following. Now the IUPACs are given. You are supposed to write the structure of this given drug, and this question will carry 1 mark. Means writing down the structure of first IUPAC given will carry 1 mark. Writing down the structure of second IUPAC given will carry 1 mark. Now first IUPAC says it is 2-diethyl aminoethyl 4-aminobenzoate. Now it is 8, so it is definitely it will be ester. So aminobenzoate hai suffix, so it is ester containing local anesthetic, so it is nothing but procaine. When it comes to N-diethyl aminoacetyl 2,6-xylidide, so when it is xylidide, now xylene you all know that it is benzene ring and 2 methyls, which is called as xylene, and amide functional group, so it is xylidide. So lidocaine is the local anesthetic which contains amide as a functional group. Other derivatives or other drugs are also there, but from structure point of view, ester derivative procaine is important, and amide containing functional group lidocaine is important. There are many more examples, like procaine also includes chlorprocaine. Then lidocaine is there. Lidocaine is amide containing functional group. So when till now in your board exams only two structures are being asked. One is procaine and one is lignocaine. Mepivacaine, bupivacaine, lupivacaine, or this chlorprocaine. No such questions are asked in the exam for structure. Then coming towards the fifth question, that is next question. In fifth question, as you can see, it is difference between general and local anesthetics. Now we are supposed to give the difference between general and local anesthetic, which we have seen in detail in the video. There are 9 points of difference, wherein we have classified wherein we have distinguished between general and local anesthetic and procaine or lignocaine. Again, one adjunct question is there: draw the structure of procaine or lignocaine. Now drawing the structure of either procaine or lignocaine will carry 1 mark, and differentiate between general and local anesthetics will carry 2 marks. Now since the difference is for 2 marks, minimum 4 points are expected to be mentioned. Then if the difference only is for 3 marks, then minimum 6 points are expected. Then moving towards the next question, that is question number 6. In question number 6, you will find the question. You are supposed to draw the structure, chemical name, properties, storage condition, and uses of lignocaine. Now, this structure, chemical name, properties, this is the 3rd point, storage is the 4th point, and uses is the 5th point. So, either of them, either lignocaine or procaine, you are supposed to first draw the structure of lignocaine or procaine. Then you are supposed to write down the chemical name, which we have studied earlier in question number 4. Then properties and storage conditions and uses you are supposed to write down. This question will carry 3 marks. Now in all 5 points are there and marks are 3. Next question. Following. First is benzocaine. We have asked procaine and lignocaine. Lignocaine. Earlier also we have seen these are the very frequently asked drugs in the examination. Along with that, separately on the uses, the question is asked on the benzocaine. But benzocaine, that is same, means the same uses you are supposed to write down what you write it for the procaine. Then question number 8, write the advantages of lignocaine over procaine. The famous question which comes in pharmaceutical chemistry as well as pharmacology and toxicology is that why lignocaine is preferred over procaine. Either it is asked like the way give reason why lignocaine is preferred over procaine, or either it is asked like write the advantages of lignocaine over procaine. Now in this give reason also in brief we have discussed in the video of local anesthetics. So this difference will carry 3 marks, like lignocaine why it is superior to procaine. The question comes for 3 marks and many a times it is asked in the exam. So with this we finish with the repeatedly asked questions of local anesthetics. Now to summarize, the summary includes the basic questions which we are observing in all the chapters is the definition and classification. Only there are few exceptional chapters such as antifungal drugs, antimycobacterial agents. These classifications are very rarely asked in the examination. So this definition and classification of local anesthetics are very important. Then complete drug such as procaine and lignocaine. In question we have seen that they have asked the chemical structure, their name, properties, stability, uses, everything they have asked of either procaine or lignocaine. So both are very important from the complete drug point of view. And coming towards the uses, benzocaine, procaine, lignocaine uses are important. So with this we finish with the repeatedly asked questions or frequently asked questions on local anesthetics. Thank you.